Alright, starting out with Wave Oven Recipes with another air fryer Q&A. One thing that's often asked and thought about by folks is, do you need to preheat when you're air frying? Because some air fryers have a preheat, some air fryers don't have a preheat set in them, but you can still, through various means, do a preheat in them if you desire. So, is it good to preheat or not to preheat is a question that's often asked. And I will say that preheating is a good thing if you have the patience to want to wait. I just like to get right into my cook. I like air fryers that can cook things hard enough that I don't need to leverage the preheat option at all. But you can preheat and you'll get, probably a more even cook overall. Probably might cook a little faster if you do a preheat. So the preheat is good if you're one who wants to take that extra 5 minutes or so to preheat your cooker before doing your cooks. I personally just like to jump right in there, knock it out and be done. So it's really up to you whether you want to preheat or not preheat. It's not a mandatory type of thing that you have to preheat unless the cooker mandates a preheat. There are cookers that, as soon as they start, they're going to force a preheat before they do anything else. And so in cases like that, with like maybe the Power Air Fryer Oven 360, you've got to go through the preheat before you can start cooking. And so they enforce that in there. But with other cookers where they don't enforce it, you can put it in yourself. You can put your own preheat in if you want, or you can just jump right into your cook. The choice is really yours. But preheating, are you going to do better with preheating than not preheating? You're probably going to do better preheating than not preheating. You're probably going to get a more even overall cook. You're probably going to, of course, cook faster because you already preheated it. So it's up to you, but folks like myself just like to jump to that cook, and there are, cookers, plenty that I've shown here that can knock things out without a preheat, and it does very well. But it's up to you when you're air frying which way you want to go with the preheat. And so I hope that answers questions about preheating with air fryers, and you can leave your comments. Plenty of recipes for air frying are at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Also, you can always come to this YouTube channel through waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.